Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn off Now Playing on Apple Watch. Today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation, and it doesn't really matter which Apple Watch you have, it is going to work all the same on the all Apple Watches. So if you don't want to have the Now Playing app notification, or just Now Playing on the Apple Watch when you're using your iPhone and watch something or maybe play some music, you just want to go to the settings. By pressing the digital crown, you need to go to the app menu, and now just press on the settings icon, which is right this one, and you want to go to the general. Just press on it, and you want to go down a little bit and search for auto launch. Just press on it, and now as you can see, when playing audio, auto launch audio apps. You don't want to have the Now Playing, so let's just turn it off. And now you're not going to have the Now Playing on the Apple Watch. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.